Once again, thank you very much, Madam Vice President. And now please join us in giving a resounding applause to welcome the Honorable Imee R. Marcos, Senator of the Republic of the Philippines.
Ang katapat ay hashtag ay may solusyon. Ang ugat ng problema ay...
Daghan salamat sa tanan. Ako si Imee Marcos, Senadora ng Republika na hold up ni Vice President. Number 1 victim po. Talaga naman, pero maayong buntag, happy man ako kahit papano. Maayong buntag sa Pinalangga, mga magtutudlo dinhi sa Mindanao. 5 regions nga tanan-tanan, uban-uban dinhi. Dako na akong kalipay, makatambong sa inyong importanteng tigom, Teachers Day. World Teachers Day, the culminating activity of our National Teachers Month. Of course, our beloved hijacker and hold-upper, otherwise known as the Secretary of Education, Inday Sara Duterte, also our Vice President. Ang aton mga opisyales led by Governor Ike Pimentel, our Vice Mayor representing Butuan City, Attorney Lawrence Fortun, our DepEd Regional Director and aton Pinalangga, Maria Ines Asuncion, the Thai Ambassador who is also here present, who has the best kitchen in town, and aton Metrobank President Sobre Peña, Yusek Escobedo, and of course President Soeseni of Orios, og tanan nga teachers.
But it's a real joy and privilege
to join you this morning. I've always considered myself apo, anak ng teacher. Tanan nga pamilya ko mga teacher. Totoo naman na lahat naging teacher. And since we are in this very romantic mode, andyan sa Philippine Normal University, ang aking mga lolo at lola, si Mariano Marcos and Josefa Edralin, nagtagpo, nagtanan, nagkaanak yung unang Presidente Ferdinand Edralin Marcos. Kaya malaki ang utang na loob ko sa teacher. Doon kami nabuo. Alam din ninyo, ko, teacher sa grade 1, bago maging First Lady ng Pilipinas. Iyak daw siya ng iyak. Kayong kanyang buong nga pamilya, Dean of the College of Law ang iya papa. Ang sister niya, Dean ng Conservatory ng University. Bakit siya napunta sa grade 1? At siling ng teacher na, girl, the most difficult class to teach is grade 1 and elementary. Everyone who teaches elementary is a true hero. Totoo ba yan? Pero grabe talaga nung gobernador ako kung ano-anong ginagawa namin sa mga teacher. Pag may nabisita, sige, gawa ng clock, mag-catering, sayaw-sayaw pa. Pag survey, teacher na liwat. Pag eleksyon, nabomba pa yung teacher. Yung COVID, out of pocket, magpa-Xerox, door-to-door ang hatid ng mga modules. Grabe ang sakripisyo ng teacher, kaya lagi akong pumapayag magpa-hold up, basta teacher. Ang tanong, bakit dapat mahalin ang aton teachers? Dahil araw-araw may lesson plan, siguradong may future kayo. Talaga naman, bakit dapat mahalin ang teacher? Anumang hirap ang test, alam nila ang correct answer. Bakit dapat mahalin ang teacher? Araw-araw kasama ang mga bata, kaya pareho kayong hindi tatanda. Kayo talaga? Ayan, talaga naman, yan ang mga pinsala ng pagiging teacher. And because of this long history of public education in my family, in 1966, maalala siguro ng iba na yung tatay ko finally signed RA 4670, otherwise known as the Magna Carta for public school teachers, later on covering even the private schools. In 1976, there was PD 1006, professionalizing finally and taking away from politics, favoritism, and privilege all teachers for promotions and appointments. Sana all. Sana totoo lahat. Pero ganyan talaga ang mga nangyayari sa buhay ng DepEd. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko rin magpasalamat. Balik-balik man ako dito sa Caraga. All our officials who are here, thank you so much for all your help. I was here in March, tapos sa June, pabalik-balik dahil nadaog ang akong pamilya dire. All the time, super suki sa Caraga. First, ang akong papa. Tapos, ang brother ko. Ayan, at ako noong 2019 at nagsenador. Last year, 2022, nadaog na liwat, bonggang boto kay Bongbong Marcos and VP Inday Sara Duterte. Kaya mula noon hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat, malaking utang na loob namin sa Caraga. Long ago, as a governor in Ilocos Norte, we used to have a project called the Sagip Maestra, so that the best and the brightest of our educational sector would always remain with us. And this program has continued and scaled to the DepEd. In January of 2023, early this year, our good Vice President and Secretary launched the Great Matatag program. And we in the Senate and the legislature imposed the beginning of salary standardization, 4th and 5th levels, so that we will not forever be stuck at salary grade 11 for all our teachers. It is time that we revisit these salary grades. You can count on me to upgrade and professionalize, and above all, recognize the service that should not be sacrificed of our teachers. Hardworking, constantly sacrificing, and always volunteered by others. Meron tayong Senate Bill 1964 which seeks to find within this year an increase in teachers' allowances from 5,000 to 7,500. Dekada na yan na 5,000. Support us so that this will finally see the light. Masyado kayong matiisin, mag-ingay ng kaunti. And every year thereafter, sana madoble na sa 10,000 ang chalk allowance for our teachers. Yang yeso na yan na talagang nagiging yelo na sa sobrang tagal. Ayan. At gusto ko rin sabihin na magbibigay na nga tayo ng bugas, makahatag ng rice. There are sacks of rice that you will be receiving. I know you come from 5 regions. You have vouchers to download them in your areas. So, I hope in some small way, maibsan ang taas. Kay lisod kayong kinabuhi karon nga sobra-sobrang taas ang mga presyo. So, I hope this helps along the way. And I'd like to share that truly teachers are a different breed. Education and vocation parallel to none. Kung paano ninyo nagagawa, nakita ko nung bagyong Yolanda sa Tacloban. Kasama namin ang DepEd. Walang libro. Sira lahat ng mga eskwelahan na ayos ang bubong. Sira lahat ng mga computer. Kausap ko yung mga teachers. Ano ang hiimuon naton? How do we begin to open schools and finally start? There are no schools. Sabi ng teacher, kaya namin yan. There are no books or computers. Carry namin yan. But why can't we open the school? Sabi ng isa, because we don't feel like teachers. We don't feel in control. Sabi ko, anong gagawin natin? Umpisa tayo sa lipstick. Sabi ko, ano? Bakit lipstick? At least we will begin to feel like teachers again, and then we will be able to perform as teachers. And truly, if you feel good, you feel strong, you are whole, you can face the children again and make them feel whole, feel good, and be the best that they can ever be. To all our teachers, a mere tube of lipstick can bring you back to open our educational system. That is how strong and how great you are. Congratulations, we have a long way to go indeed. But there is already in each one of you much to celebrate. Daghan kayong salamat sa serbisyo kag sakripisyo para sa ating mga teachers. Padayon ako musuporta sa inyo inyuhan ning adlaw karon. Enjoy the World Teachers Day. Today, October 5. Mabuhay ang mga guro, mabuhay ang karaga. Daghang salamat.
Thank you, Senator, for sharing your impactful words for us teachers.